It's crazy popcorn machines. I've only got one of these returned. I'm surprised, honestly, because the boxes were beat up, and only one return, guys. Yeah, that's not bad.
What's up, family? Lavar here. Check this out, guys. Check this out. You see all this stuff right here? Yeah, it's a lot of stuff right here. But look at this big Christmas bag, this Santa Claus bag of stuff. Look, it's bigger than me almost. Look at this. Oh my goodness, guys. Guess what that is? Yes, those are returns. Those are returns and products that never got sent in, or products that were in there that just never sold, and the 6-month storage fees were coming up, so I had to send them all back to myself. Oh my goodness, yes, this happened, family. Yes, this happens, family. This is the name of the game, but it's okay. Don't worry. This is what you do. Check this out, guys.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks.
What's up, family? What's going on with you guys? Today I'm gonna show you, well, you guys read the title, right? So I'm gonna show you guys what I do with returned items, or just items that just didn't sell, you know what I mean? So if you haven't noticed, in a lot of my videos I used to have a big box right around here, huge box, right? It just had a bunch of returns and items that didn't sell. I would always throw them over there. Now, as you can see here, I'm gonna switch to the GoPro actually, because this camera cuts out every time I point it down. I don't know why the Canon does that, but I need to do something about that. But I'm gonna switch to the GoPro. Okay, family, so I have a few piles of things. Alright, now, these are items that didn't sell for whatever reason. Some items that I'd never even sent in yet as well. These are items that were returned, and some items that I'd never sent in that I'm going to send in now. Here's a couple of returned items. This one. And basically, this is what I do, guys. Oh, and also over here, if we go over here, here's the trash pile. This was the box I was talking about. I was filling it up with all my return stuff. I'm gonna get rid of it today, just throw it all out. But there goes the trash box. All right, so basically, returns are something you can't escape. Everyone's gonna get them. You're gonna get them. Everybody watching this video, selling on Amazon, you're gonna get returns. I mean, it's just what people do. Some people are indecisive even after they bought the product. Sometimes things happen with the product. Sometimes things break. I mean, it just happens, guys. But you can get reimbursed for a lot of the things if you contact Amazon and it isn't your fault. Like if you sent a new product and everything was fine when it went in, everything was good with it when you sent it, but then it comes back beat up or like messed up or missing parts, you can report that to Amazon and they will reimburse you sometimes. It just depends on how they're feeling. So I've been reimbursed for a lot of items actually. I've been reimbursed for items that were actually lost as well. So sometimes they'll lose some of your items. It doesn't happen all the time, but sometimes it's called stranded inventory. Sometimes that happens, guys, and Amazon will reimburse you if they lose your item, or if like it gets damaged on the way there, or whatever the case may be. But a lot of times with customer returns, they don't really reimburse you. You got to contact them if something was wrong, like if they just sent it in and like they took a part out of it but then sent it back to you and it's like missing parts and you're like, what the crap. You just contact Amazon like and tell them what happened and get your money back, or get partial money back, or whatever, however they want to go about it. Me personally, I've done that a few times, like once or twice, but I don't spend too much time with that, honestly, guys, because with the returns, all I look for is if they're able to get sent back in. And if they're able to get sent back in, then I'll just relist them. That's what I honestly look for. The rest of it, I just really give away to family and friends. So, yeah, check this out. Now, I have a box right here that some of these are returns and some of these are items I just never sent. Where's the return at? Is it in here? I think it was in here. No. Oh, it's this one. Okay, so check this out, guys. And also when Amazon returns the boxes, I mean, you get boxes. You get free boxes of all different sizes. So it's kind of cool sometimes. Yeah. And these little pillow things, I love them. I use them to save space in my boxes. But anyways, guys, so I bought this, I believe, at the Goodwill or thrift shop, one of the two. I know my profits for this is really high, like 200 or 300% ROI. I can't remember, but I know it's really high. Now this is a return from a customer, and what you want to do when you get the return, you see there goes the return label. Amazon put a return label on there. But what you want to do when you get these is you want to check them, like to see what's going on. See, it's actually still sealed. Here we go. All right, this side's open. So let's open this up, and then you just want to investigate. Why did this get returned? Look at this, guys. Brand new. It's still in plastic. All the plastic's there. I don't see anything wrong with it. Look, check this out. Let me move all this stuff out the way. Everything is there. Everything's working. Well, we don't know if it's working. I got to plug it in to see if it's working, but the cord is there. Look. Here's the manual, the other cord, everything is in here. So this is a product that I would send right back, to be honest with you guys. I would scan it to make sure it's still making me profits, and I would send this right back because there's nothing wrong with it. I'm gonna plug it in to check to make sure it works. Maybe they plugged it in and it didn't work, so I gotta check that. But if I plug it in and it works, then I will put this right back in the box. Everything is still here. I will put it right back in the box, and I will send it back in, and somebody else will buy it and keep it and love it, and I'm gonna make my money off of it. Those are items like that are always awesome, guys, because if they return, well, it's not awesome because they returned it in the first place and it's like a waste of time, but at least you get to send it back and make money off of it. If the BSR is good, the profits are still there, and 9 times out of 10 the profits will still be there because you lose money keeping it here with you rather than just to send it in for any amount of money to make. So yeah, I'm gonna send that back in. Here is another return I started to open, but I said I'm gonna save this for the fam. I don't know what this is, so I'm gonna open this up, and it is a book. It is a book. Oh, you know what? Actually, this is not a return, guys. This is not a return. This is actually a 6-month storage fees. So after 6 months, Amazon will charge you more on storage fees. So I like to get all the inventory that I've had that is not selling and just sitting in Amazon. I'll mail it back to myself, guys, and that's what this was. This is just me mailing back my inventory because it didn't sell. So yeah, I'm gonna either try to sell this on eBay or give it away or donate it back to the Goodwill or whatever, but it didn't sell, so I had to mail it back to myself. And the items that don't sell, yeah, that's not a good thing because you're losing money right there, but it's okay because you'll make way more in the long run. So that one I'm gonna do something with that one. Probably put on a bookshelf until I give it away. Now, here are a few items that I have in here that I'm actually going to list. I looked them all up, and they're gonna make me profits, crazy profits. And guys, check this out. So this item, what's cool about this item right here, last year, a few months after Christmas, maybe like 2 or 3 months after Christmas, I bought this item for $1.49, and I've had it sitting here for the entire year, and now I'm about to relist it because the BSR is higher, the profits are higher, and it's like a seasonal product. So I'm about to relist it now, and send it in. Actually, I gotta send this in really fast. Actually, I should have already sent it in, but I checked it. When I went through that big box over there, I checked it, and it's making me profits now, so I'm going to relist this, guys. And yeah, a lot of these items in here I've been having sitting around just waiting for the Q4 season. Like, this one's going to make me, I don't know, it's close to $100 profit. It's like, I think, it's up there. Maybe like 80, 90, 70. I don't know, but I know it's up there. It's over $50. It's going to make me over $50 profit, and it's been sitting here. So yeah, I'm quite sure it's close to $100. But you know what? I gotta check now because that's gonna bother me. So I gotta check. There it is, guys. Yeah, so it's gonna make me $76 in profits, guys. And I say in profits because I don't remember what I bought this for, but I bought this a long time ago and I never sent it in. And I remember buying it at the Goodwill. So I don't know. You know what? I'm not even gonna say a number because I would be lying to you guys. I do not remember what I bought it for. I do, however, remember I bought it from the Goodwill. I already peeled off the sticky label, so I don't remember what I paid for it, but it had to be good. Alright family, now this is the pile I'm not sending back into Amazon. It's a big bag of returns and products that didn't sell. Look at this bag. It's like Santa season right here. Actually, it is Santa season. But yeah, family, I'm going to give away a lot of this stuff as gifts because a lot of this stuff is new. Now, the reason why I'm not listing a lot of this stuff is because some of it, the BSRs are high, and I just want to test them anyway because the profits was crazy. And this is why I say follow the BSR, because just because the profits are crazy, if it's a super high BSR, it just will not sell. There's no demand. So I tested a lot of products in here that got super high BSRs, but they were brand new, so I just couldn't resist myself, and I bought them anyways. And this is what happens, guys. You get them all back because they're not going to sell within 6 months, and you're going to get hit with that storage fee, and you don't want that. So I sent them all back to myself. And there's a lot of cool stuff in here, guys. Like look at all this stuff, like brand new stuff, guys. You know, like brand new stuff. So a lot of people's Christmas presents are here. so yeah, just cool stuff. I'm not gonna take all of it out, but yeah, guys, you get the picture. When it comes to returns, it's something that's just going to happen. The more you sell, which is why you want to send in a lot of items, guys. You just never know with people. People are very picky. People get things and they think, then later they figure out they don't want it and they return it. I mean, it's just how people work, guys. However, what I can say is that all the good that has happened to me with selling on Amazon way outweighs the bad. So I mean, there's Amazon makes you jump through little holes and loops, and then you get returns and all these little things that happen. But I promise you guys, it's the ones that stick through it that have a very good experience selling on Amazon, guys. But yeah, family, you will get returns the more you sell. It's the nature of the game. But all you gotta do is send them back to yourself, check them, and if they're okay, just relist them. Just send them back if you can still make a profit, or save them and give them away as Christmas presents like I'm doing this year. I'm giving away, so I got so many Christmas presents for people. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap that bell to get notified when I upload other videos. And I think tomorrow I'm gonna go sourcing, hopefully like a big source, or I might do some online arbitrage sourcing. Either way, I'm gonna take you guys with me. You already know. It's peace and love, family. I'm out. Peace.